To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everyone, and welcome to another Market Watch video. Today EA has released the ones to watch cards, which will be out of packs on 27th on Friday. And as you guys know, when the gold cards get out of packs, they go up in value a lot. And today we're going to look at some of the players which we have been already investing, because we tried to predict which ones are going to get into the ones to watch team in terms of investment, because we know that those cards will specifically go up at that specific time. But even if they don't get into the ones to watch, we know that most of these cards will actually rise, because we went and invested with the cards in demand. As you can see, this is the confirmed ones to watch team by EA right now, and some of the players that did not get in, we'll look at those that potentially are still good investments, because right now they're getting panic sold. But the ones who are getting in, they're probably getting hyped more, and it's really risky to jump in right now since their price is rising. Here's also the bench team right now. You have João Felix, Barella, Wan-Bissaka, Pulisic, and Joelinton. There's also the voting going on, where you vote for a player that gets into the ones to watch. I went with Saint-Maxime. Potentially, like, not a lot of people will go with Catrone, but Eder Militao and Saint-Maxime are probably going to be the ones that there's going to be a battle between the ones to watches that the people are going to choose. Either way, the Hernandez price here right now, we've invested already in him at 20k, but I bought him yesterday at 40k. He is confirmed and wants to watch. He's rising right now. Getting up in the hype is never the answer, but still under 50k, I still believe it is a good price. I think this card will go even higher. There's more hype on him right now as he's confirmed, and he's going up more. Lozano is already at 20k. He was like 15k earlier. I sold my subs to buy him when he was 15k, because I made a team of player cards that I think is going to be the best starter investment team. Some of my people in my Discord bought these cards, but I bought also other cards that are getting a bit panic sold right now. Doesn't matter, because those cards that are getting panic sold right now are the cards that you want to jump in. What happens is people bought them because of the ones to watch reasons, but what they don't know is when they the other people on the market will start building their teams, they will push these cards up because they're pretty in demand. Let's be honest, Rabiot could be a really good card. Like, he could replace Matuidi as a CDM, has really solid stats, and people could use him. He's not getting ones to watch. He's getting panic sold a bit right now. He's getting lower. He was over 9k. Futbin like refreshed his price 35 minutes ago, so I don't know. But even Mendy, like, he was popping up on the market at 28, 27k. And I told people on Twitter, if you don't follow me on social media, make sure to follow me on social media. I told you guys to not sell your Mendy's, because I've invested in Mendy. A lot of other people invested in him. And it was really like, you shouldn't be selling these cards right now. But if you go and check Rabiot, I'm sure maybe he dropped under 8k, because yeah, he's dropping under 8k because he's not getting into the ones to watch. But you know what, I'm just gonna buy that. Okay, I missed it. I want to buy it because I want to put him in my team. And there's a starter team that I'll be releasing on FIFATrading.com potentially tonight, late in the evening. Make sure to follow me on my social media. Make sure to check my site, FIFATrading.com, for that as well, because I believe that's the best starter investment team. Some of these cards are already going up because they have been confirmed as ones to watches. The others will go up and they're panic sold. So currently, I think the price of the team that I made is still around 117k. I predict that team is going to go to like 250k, and I do think that's a really good starter team to start with and make also coins in a long run. We've also been buying Perisic quite a lot lately. His price hasn't been dipping much because of him not getting into ones to watch, but doesn't matter. Like, he's holding that value, and he will basically rebound when the full game is out. He is a big beast player in my opinion, and I do think he fits in pretty solid hybrid, especially in the team that I will release on FIFATrading.com. If you'll check that one out, you'll see it's pretty solid, and it can make you some coins. Nangolan also didn't get in ones to watch, but a lot of people predict that he's not going to get a back-to-back ones to watch card. He's back down to 17k, but since this card is really good, I think he will rebound anyway. So if you jump in right now, investing these cards that are going down and they didn't get into ones to watch, that's your opportunity right now, because I do think once the weekend league demand is up, they're going to be back up in value. I do predict Nangolan could go even close to 30k of value because he's so much in demand. when the first weekend league is here, that's when you can sell these cards and make quite good profit. Another thing that happened today is Josef Martinez got released. The requirements are a bit too much. Okay, the 84 rated squad is okay with 75 rating, but the 85 squad rating with one Major League Soccer player, it's going to be really good to snipe right now. We're going to make a lot of sniping filters. If you're subscribed to my Patreon, I'm going to release these sniping filters. I'm also going to release a few of sniping filters on FIFATrading.com to help you guys out with that. But basically, yeah, I do think right now making this sort of card for 80, 90K is not worth it. And yeah, it should go up when on 27, even Lewandowski's released. These higher rated cards should even push higher. But anyways, the last thing that I want to show you guys before heading off here is my weekend league team of the week tracking of players that could potentially get in team of the week. These cards have played some good games over the weekend. I'm just tracking their players. If you're not following me on social media, potentially on Twitter and other Facebook, all other medias that I post this sort of stuff, trading methods and investments, make sure to do that, because I'm tracking these cards in order to see if there'll be good investments coming up into the next weeks when potential new team of the week cards are going to be also released. So if you guys are into this sort of stuff, even out of YouTube or anywhere like that, make sure to drop me a follow. Links are down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Cheers.